Swoops, look out! There's a storm up ahead!
Things are getting bumpy! Gaskets! Swoops' rotor is flying away!
Whoa! Oh man! Swoops can't fly without his rotor, but it's flying away so fast!
I know how we can catch it. We just need to turn me into a super fast aerodynamic race car. If something is aerodynamic, it can move through the air quickly because of its shape, like a race car. Transformation station activate. Engineering race car. Help me tire-rific. Body, back, seat, front, back, monster truck tire. Tire-rific. Try clicking on a race car. Tire-rific. Now let's keep transforming me. Tire, front, right, tire, seat, tire, body. Excellent engineer. Hood. All right. Spoiler. All right. I'm a super fast aerodynamic race car.
Now we need to drive really fast to catch that rotor.
Try press. Way to go! Now after that rotor. Watch out for things in our way. They'll slow us down. Let's drive over speed boosts for super speed. We need to collect lost bolts along the way so we can use them to reattach Swoops' rotor.
Accelerate! Accelerate! Nice! More bolts!
Got it! Got it! Got it!
Accelerate!
Let's blaze!
Blaze, look! There's no more track! And what are those rainbow colors at the edge? Hey, check it out! A computer!
It must release the Skytrack. We just need to enter the colors that mix together to make the color of that lane.
To complete the rainbow path.
Right on! Let's keep red! Oh, red! All right! Yellow! Yellow! Yeah! Blue! Nice job! We matched all the colors correctly. Let's keep going. Now it looks like we need to mix colors. Let's start with the orange lane. What color mixes with perfect color mixing? Great! Now let's fix the... Nice job! Nice job! Mixing perfect color. Tire-rific! Mixing red and blue make violet. We mixed all the colors correctly. Awesome!
It worked! We mixed and matched the colors and released the Skytrack.
And I see the rotor. Come on, AJ, let's go catch it. Give me some speed. Great! Now let's catch that rotor. Watch out for things in our way. They'll slow us down. We need to collect lost bolts along the way so we can use them to reattach Swoops' rotor. Let's drive over speed boosts for super speed.
Accelerate!
Bolts! Yes! Let's drive over ramps to collect more bolts.
Accelerate!
Got it! Bolts! Yes! Got it!
Accelerate!
Bolts! Yes! Wow, look at all of the bolts we collected! I think we got back all the ones Swoops lost.
Blaze, there's Swoop's rotor.
I think we can grab that rotor if we use blazing speed.
Click on us to activate blazing speed.
Let's blaze!
Oh no! The rainbow road ends here.
And the rotor is stuck on the other side. We need to lasso it with my grappling hook and rope. Let's give it a try. Click me to activate. Great! Grappling hook activated.
We need the right trajectory. Great! Now press the space. It looks like there might be some things in our way. Launch the rope at an object to remove it. Great aim! The trajectory was too low. Try aiming higher. Great aim! The trajectory was too high. Try a great aim! Tire-rific trajectory! We caught the rotor!
Try great! Now let's get this rotor back to Swoops. Watch out for things in our way. They'll slow us down. Collect tools along the way to help reattach Swoops' rotor. Whoa! Got it! Got it! Got it! Let's drive over speed boosts for super speed! Cool tools! Let's blaze! Look at all the tools we collected! I think we have enough to help reattach Swoops' rotor.
I see Swoops down below! Click on Swoops to help repair him.
Here you go, Swoops. Rotor repaired.
All those bolts and tools really helped out. You look great!
Go ahead, Swoops. Give it a spin.
Fantastic flying, Swoops!
Swoops is ready for high-flying action. Thanks for helping. If you want to race the Skytrack again, click the Play Again button.